Welcome back to Garage Matters. Today I'll be doing a 6-month review on these Rocky Mountain all-terrain tires. Now I've put about 4,000 miles on these tires, so let's go ahead and check the tread wear. You might have heard that you could use a penny to check the tread wear. So the story behind that is if you can see all of Lincoln's head upside down like this within the tread pattern, then you know that the tire is worn out and you need to replace it. So let's go ahead and put this penny inside this tread. Now looking at it like this, all of Lincoln's head, well about half of it, is covered up. So we know that there's still plenty of life left on this tire after 6 months of use and 4,000 miles. Now some of these tires, they do come with a tread wear bar, but since this is an all-terrain tire, it doesn't come with that tread wear bar. We'll take a look at another tire that does come with it. On this other tire, this is the same tire that I run on my Celica GT4. You look in between the grooves right here, you can see these two little bars right here. Come up here, and there's two more little bars right here. So once this tire compound wears down to these wear bars right here, you know it's time to replace these tires. We'll go ahead and put this penny down inside this groove right here. Now with this penny inside this tread, you can barely see the top of Lincoln's head. Now we'll go ahead and hit the road again. We'll do another road test and let you see how these tires sound after 6 months of use and 4,000 miles. Sometimes these tires, they get noisy as they age and they start losing compound. So it'll be a good 6-month review of how noisy these tires are. Now here we're cruising around town, about 43 miles an hour. We're gonna listen to the road noise on this road. This road is nice and flat, so it should give us some good audio. Now hopefully the GoPro was able to pick up the audio. As you can tell, the road noise is very minimal with these tires. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit this freeway right here. We're gonna hit the on-ramp, get some audio with these tires doing about 70 miles an hour. Now this part of the freeway, it's made out of concrete. It's not pavement, so this is what the tire is gonna sound like doing 72 miles an hour. Now with the tread pattern of these all-terrain tires, this road noise on this concrete road is still very minimal. Now this part of the freeway, it's kind of pitted. This is what the tire sounds like. Now we're going to transition to a smoother part of this asphalt. This is what it sounds like. Go on to the bridge. Come off the bridge. And back onto the concrete section of this bridge. And back onto asphalt. And exit off here and hit some of the gravel roads. Now as you can tell, they're doing construction on this part of the road. This road's not that nice right now. It's all jagged and raggedy like this, but it'll be a good road to test this tires on. Alright, let's take these tires off road. Get some mud on these tires. So right now we're still in 2-wheel drive. I'm not going to put in 4 low unless I think we're going to get stuck. Take it easy. We're gonna skip this giant hole because we don't know how deep it is. gravel road. I'm just crawling through this gravel road because these potholes, they're pretty deep. There's no need to speed through these potholes like this. I'm not trying to break my back, so let's take it easy. Let me go ahead and park this truck over here so we can see what kind of terrain we're driving on. Now this is where we're at. This is the type of terrain that we're going to be driving this 4Runner on. Take a look at the tires real quick. They've got just a little mud on them, but don't worry, we're going to get some more mud on these tires. Gonna go ahead and cross this little puddle of water right here. No issues. No issues with these tires. More importantly, no issues with this 4Runner. Alright, so we're going to cross this puddle of water right here. We're going to put in 4 low. Make sure we don't get stuck in here. Go up this little incline. Let the truck crawl in 4 low. Alright, no issues. No issues at all. Alright, hopefully y'all can see this little mud bog. We're gonna go right through it. Same thing with this one. Leave it in 4 low and let the truck do its thing. No issues. Since we got some mud on the tires, I'm gonna speed up a little. We'll see how much of these mud that this tire kicks up. See if you can hear it. Now if you can hear that sound, that's the sound of these tires kicking all that mud up. Alright, we'll take you through these mud puddles. Just let this truck crawl right through it. No issues. Alright, I've already been through this part of this trail before, and it's pretty deep. I'm not gonna go through this trail because it's all flooded with water, and I don't have a buddy to pull me out just in case I get stuck. So I'm not gonna risk it today, but if I had a buddy, I'd go right through it. And there's concrete, pavement, vehicles, it's kept to a minimum, even those in our town. Now that's gonna do it this time for Garage Matters, and thanks again for joining us on the 6 months review of these Rocky Mountain all-terrain tires. And remember, join us next time on Garage Matters and hit that like and subscribe button.